Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting challenge that will help you achieve lean legs and a toned butt. Are you ready for the 50 squats challenge? Let's jump right into it. Alright, let's get started with the first squat. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, toes pointing slightly outward. Keep your chest up, engage your core, and slowly lower your hips down as if you're sitting back into a chair. Make sure your knees are in line with your toes and avoid letting them go past your toes. Now, push through your heels and rise back up to the starting position. Great job! Remember, it's important to maintain proper form throughout the challenge. Keep your back straight, chest lifted, and don't forget to breathe. Take your time and go at your own pace. If you need a break, feel free to pause the video and join us when you're ready. As we reach the halfway point, let's take a moment to check in. How are you feeling? If you're starting to feel the burn, that's a good sign. It means your muscles are working hard. Push through the discomfort and keep going. Now, let's focus on your breathing. Inhale as you lower down into the squat and exhale as you rise back up. This will help you maintain control and maximize your results. Remember, the more effort you put in, the better the outcome. We're almost there. Don't give up now. Visualize your goal, those lean, sculpted legs and a firm, lifted butt. You're so close to achieving it. Keep pushing yourself, and remember, every squat counts. Congratulations, you did it! 50 squats complete. You should be proud of yourself for taking this challenge and giving it your all. Remember, consistency is key to reaching your fitness goals. So, make sure to incorporate squats into your regular routine. Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting fitness challenges. Share your progress with us in the comments below. We'd love to hear about your experience with the 50 squats challenge. Stay motivated, stay focused, and keep working towards the best version of yourself. Until next time, keep squatting and stay fit.